Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. Today I would like to share with you that I am participating in the Halloween tier challenge that is being hosted by the lovely Daveda from Daveda Lane. She's asked that we decorate for Halloween. 3 tiers. She didn't care how many tiers, as long as we decorate it for Halloween. Here are the items I'll be using. I keep bumping things over and knocking things down, so it was kind of funny at the beginning, but then it's starting to piss me off. And it's this little thing, so I replaced this with this big coffee tin. I'm gonna fill the bottom tin with rocks so it doesn't move. I decided I would just make a tablescape as well. She didn't ask for this, I just did it on my own. And this is how my 3-tier stand came out. I am just loving this tablescape. And then my little baby 1-tier with the blinking jack-o'-lantern. I just love it, and I'm loving the whole setup. I would like to thank Daveda for hosting this challenge. I'll be linking below her channel and also the playlist to this challenge. We hope that you go to each and every one of our videos and enjoy them. If you like this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Happy Halloween!